the GBI, of the Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated, we are one and unified in our call to bring back home former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Now, he is the GBI Guardians' fraternal brother and our country's patriotic hero. As a matter of fact, the fight against illegal drugs is a legitimate police operations to track down all criminals related to illegal drug offenders. In fact, those who surrendered were brought to rehabilitation centers, wherein many rehabilitation institutions or centers were built during the time of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, wherein millions were rehabilitated and now back to their families' fold and continue their studies and livelihood. Those accusations are all baseless and purely political harassment in nature. Those leftist group or the CPP and PND are the one recruiting students to topple the government. It is also our moral duty and obligation as guardians for our nation and as an advocate for our nation and society, again, who are unified in our voice, shouting for that a former head of state or a great leader, and that shall be returned home alive and healthy. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.